Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, you're at Prime African Estates. So today we're taking you inside this modern 2-bedroom apartment in Syokimau, priced at just 8 million Kenyan shillings. The living room features a 5-seater couch facing a beautiful wall with a built-in console. Beyond the lounge, wide sliding glass doors leads to a private balcony, an outdoor spot for a morning coffee or even evening breeze. The dining area, positioned right next to the entrance, comfortably has 5 seats. Overhead, a modern chandelier adds a soft glow, making this space ideal for family meals or friendly get-togethers. Just beside the dining area sits a compact, fully functional kitchen, finished with glossy white cabinetry, quality countertops, and plenty of storage. The open layout keeps it connected to the main living space, perfect for hosting or simply enjoying a seamless flow between cooking, dining, and relaxing. Through the kitchen, a door leads to the laundry area. From here, you can also catch a glimpse of the landscaped gardens and nearby apartment blocks. Back through the kitchen, we move towards the bedroom section and shared washroom. The bathroom is tastefully designed, featuring a glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall head, a modern vanity, and fixtures that give it a clean, sophisticated look. Next up is the first bedroom. It's bright, cozy, and full of natural light. It comes with a built-in sliding wardrobes that offers ample storage and a vanity area with a mirror, perfect for daily routines. The overall design is simple, warm, and ideal for a guest or family. The ensuite washroom continues the same refined aesthetic, bright, modern, and finished with high-quality fittings for a spa-like feel. Now, step into the primary bedroom, your private sanctuary. Elegant wall moldings add a touch of class, and the large sliding glass doors open up to a private balcony, letting in fresh air and natural light. The room is perfectly proportioned for a large bed, bedside lamps, and features generous wardrobe space built right into the wall, both stylish and functional. If you'd love to view this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in person, call or WhatsApp us today and let's help you to make this your next home. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You're watching Prime African Estate, where your dream home might just be one tour away.